View the PDF document with the usBIM browser. Browse through the document using the index. Select a part of the text and create a new bookmark. Use markups to create a bookmark, choosing form and colors. Navigate through the document using the bookmarks created previously. Add a hashtag BIM to the document. Associate bookmarks with links to documents. Rename the link or delete it. Link up a web page or documents that are external to the platform. Use the integrated chat feature to collaborate with others.